Pag real talk ni Kuya Dre sa isang panayam dito sa ikatlong araw ng kanilang ensayo para sa magaganap nilang mga laban sa Dubai. Yan matapos mang i-like ang video na ito, mag-subscribe sa ating channel at pakidamay na rin ang ating opisyal na Facebook page. Pero bago natin simulan, alam mo ba ngayon mas madali nang maglaro at manalo dito sa 1xBet? Especially na pwede ka nang mag-cash in at mag-cash out through GCash. Kaya naman i-click lamang etong link na nasa comment section ng ating video at gamitin ang promo code na BGS2 upang makasali. Isama pa natin na pwede mo na rin i-download etong kanilang official app para sa mas malalaking papremyo na nag-aantay sa'yo. Last Wednesday nga mga bularo, maraming Pinoy fans ang siguradong na-hype dito sa mga salitang binitawan ni Kuya Dwight after siyang matanong kung may chance nga raw ba na makapaglalaro ito sa PBA.
Eligible for the PBA, so then they got to change the height requirements. I'm 6'9" without shoes, and with shoes it has a little inch. So, hopefully they do that so guys like Drake can come back here and play as well. I know he's been wanting to play here in the tournament. I mean, in the PBA league as well. So, they change the height requirements. Maybe we'll see Twin Towers here in the Philippines.
Pero maliban sa kanya, sa araw na yan naging laman din ng talakayan etong nilinaw ng head coach ng SGA regarding sa kanilang ugnayan kay Mikey Williams. Dahil sa first 3 practices nga ng koponan, bigo itong makadalo sa kabila ng pag-commit niya a few days ago.
It was supposed to be Mikey Williams, but I don't think he's gonna come anymore, so we'll have to figure that part out.
What happened?
I think he agreed, but he's still waiting for some clearance from TNT, and I guess to be safe, I'll him nilaro. So of course, we also don't want to force him.
Samantala sa kabilang banda, maliban dito sa patuloy na tanong ng marami kung may chance raw ba na makapaglalaro etong si Dwight sa PBA, ay ating silipin din mga bulero etong naging komento ni Kuya Andre matapos tong mahinga ng opinyon kung may chance pa raw ba na muli siyang makapagserbisyo sa ating bansa.
Probably not. They got Jordan Clarkson. He's doing great. Brownlee, I see he did some great things when they played against China. So, Coach Shot, he's going in the way that he needs to.
Are you still in touch with your last teammate?
Yeah, of course. When I landed, when I touched down, the first person to reach out was probably Gabe, and then everybody else started checking on me saying, "Welcome back."
Your impressions about the local talent, Kevin or Justin Batista?
All great young guys. All great young guys, willing to work, willing to listen, take constructive criticism. But the only thing for them guys I want them to do is stop apologizing when you mess up. It's part of learning. You're gonna mess up. Just go on to the next play.